Hey guys, this is not a how-to video. This is a 2026 Silverado 2500 heavy duty. So this one actually didn't come with a fifth wheel prep. So if you put the VIN number for the trucks that doesn't come a factory with the fifth wheel prep, that part is not going to come up because I just crossed this with an older truck VIN number. So here is what you need if you want to do like a fifth wheel prep to your truck that doesn't come factory with. So this one I actually already installed the bar, which just bolts right onto the chassis. So that's the number for the hitch, and you need 8 bolts along with that. So once you do, you just lower the bed on the top of it. You have to remove the bed, okay? You have to lift the bed on this, otherwise you can't put it on. So I'm on the process of cutting the holes right now. Just cutting the holes. I bought this Milwaukee, which I don't recommend. This is a 4-inch cut drill. This is not good, guys. We're able to do 1 hole only. And so you want to lower the bed on the top of the OEM plate. And then you're going to come with a soft hammer and you're going to hit around so you can get a mark, like, so you know exactly where you're gonna cut your holes, so it doesn't look funky. And on the center one, you go from the bottom with the puncher, and you just punch a hole on a mark on the center, and so you know where to, But this is, it's not a how-to do it. This is just to let you guys know that it is possible to do. It's got a brand new BW fifth wheel slider that's gonna go in there. So and also I believe you're gonna need the the wiring kit. GM actually provide that. Yeah, I hope that someone can help someone.